here's my spacers I made. They're 1 millimeter thick, and you might wonder why I made so many of these when I only need one. But once you got it set up and bored out and everything, you might as well make a bunch of them. Maybe somebody else in the club will need one. Maybe this will turn out to be a good idea. I don't know. And if it is, somebody else might want one. So that's why the extra spacers. Because once you get it set up, it only takes a couple minutes to turn one of these off. So you might as well. What I did here was I drilled holes in 3 places here through the spacer that's on the PTO end of this Rotax. And then, I don't know, I just chamfered the holes a little bit, so hopefully oil will collect on there, and probably in this ring they've got a step machined in it, and it'll collect oil in here, and hopefully when that puff of air comes through there, it's gonna go down through that hole and spray on that bearing. This will be the last bearing in the line, the one on the very outboard end of the crankshaft. I'm trying to figure a way to get it more oil, because it seems like what Rotax did is quite restrictive, and they're trying to keep oil out of that bearing, it almost seems to me. So this is what I'm doing to try to rectify it. I don't want to eliminate this spacer and put just a solid one in or something. I think they're relying on oil getting past here, because this is clearance on the bearing, and they think it's going to come around that shaft, but the shaft's spinning, it's trying to throw oil off of it. You know, what works maybe standing still isn't going to work in practice. So I'm trying to come up with something different. So that's the idea of this. So I just center punched holes on these 3 places and drilled a hole through there. That's basically all there was to it.